Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can make your video more stable than before with the CapCut apps. So yeah, I'm going to open my project. So I already have one video here. Just say this shaky video, and don't worry, if you have the shaky video you will fix it with the CapCut with the CapCut apps using a stabilize feature. So just click on the clip and just find the stabilize option, just click on it. So you can you can adjust for the okay, this is, I think you can select the most stable to make your video more stable. Okay, just click check mark. Okay, and as you can see it's for the final result, and I think it will be yeah, it will be better than before. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.